In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Google Meet. This will be a helpful guide for anyone looking to present slides, documents, or any other content during a video meeting. So let's dive right in and make this as simple and straightforward as possible. To get started, the first step is to head over to Google Meet. If you haven't done so already, open your favorite web browser and navigate to Google Meet's homepage. You can simply type Google Meet into your search bar or enter the URL directly if that's quicker for you. Once there, you'll need to be signed in to access its features, so ensure you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, you'll notice a button labelled New Meeting. This is prominently located, so it should be easy to find. Click on this button to get started with creating a new video meeting. This is the entry point for initiating your session where you'll be hosting or joining a meeting. The next action is to select Start an Instant Meeting. This option allows you to quickly create a meeting room without scheduling it in advance. It's an ideal solution for impromptu or immediate needs where you want to set up a meeting on the spot. After clicking this option, you will be transported into a conference room, virtually of course, where you can begin the process of setting up your screen share. Now that you're in your meeting, it's time to present your screen. Look towards the bottom of your screen in the meeting interface and click on Present Now. This button is generally accompanied by a small icon that suggests sharing. Clicking on this will open a menu presenting different options for sharing your screen. You'll now see choices like sharing your entire screen, a specific window, or a tab. Depending on your needs, select the option that best serves your presentation. If you're going to show a PowerPoint, consider sharing just that window. If you're sharing a tab, perhaps for a web demo, opt for the tab option. Finally, a share button will come up after you've made your selection. Give it a click to start broadcasting your chosen screen or window to everyone participating in the meeting, and just like that, you're able to seamlessly share your screen during your Google Meet call. Remember to end your screen sharing when you're done by clicking Stop Presenting to ensure you're no longer broadcasting inadvertently. That's essentially all it takes to efficiently share your screen on Google Meet. I hope this step-by-step guide was easy to follow and helps make your next Google Meet presentation a breeze. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.